Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as always. As you can see from your screen, this is a very beautiful bubbly bridal hairstyle and we're going to be making this together, okay? Today we're going to create a very simple, easy, bubbly bridal hair look, and I need you to subscribe to my channel before we continue. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to start with parting my hairs in threes. I'm going to start from this end, as you can see. Make sure it is crafted out properly. Next, I'm going to do the other parts as well. So here is my hair cream. I'm going to use this and just oil the hair. After which I'm done, I'm going to do for the other end as well. Then I'm going to use any rope whatsoever and I'm going to tie my hair like this, okay? So I'm just going to I'm going to tie it all the way to the very end. Make sure to not tie your hair so tight. We are protecting the scalp. Beautiful. So you're going to do this up until the very end of the rope. Make sure you don't tie your hair so tight so it wouldn't affect your scalp. As you can see, I had to zoom in. You divide it in two parts and then you just do it like a bantu knot, like so. And I'm gonna do that for the other end as well. I'm gonna use a rope, like an attachment or something, any rope regardless that you put your hands on. I divided the attachment into two parts. So I'm going to now, tie it like so. Then I'm gonna turn it this way and make it like a bantu knot, and then make sure you exhaust the rope while you are doing this. So after which I'm going to come down to the middle parts. The tricky thing about the middle parts is you need to pack your hair all together, okay? So you pack your hair all together right from the back, you comb it, you brush it, make sure you pack everything. And as soon as you're done, you're going to use your rope or your attachments here, and then you're not going to use it and just pack it this way, right? And then you do the whole bantu knot thing so it stays firm. Again, make sure you don't hurt your scalp while tying it too tight. After which you're done, so like I said, I'm going to pack my hair like this. So I'm going to use my petals gel and then I'm going to just apply it like so, and then apply it all the way all through my hair, from the front down to the back, down to the left, down to the right, all around. Make sure you apply your gel and make sure it sticks and stays properly. So I'm just gonna do this for the other end as well, and then after which I'm done, make sure now as you apply your gel, make sure you're creating this asymmetrical, if you know what I mean, yeah, asymmetrical thing going on there. As you can see how I did it, you part it this way. I'm going to use my bristle brush and just brush my hair like this. You just pack it and make sure you style it properly so it stays slicked down. Can you see how better the hair looks now? And I'm going to use this my Lush hair collection that I got. It's the coily braid. Literally you use this to make braids, and it comes out beautifully. So I thought to be creative. I actually saw something like this somewhere and I thought to recreate it. So first, and I chose this color simply because I was advised to. I love how the color is. Literally, you can use any color of your choice, but this stood out for me. So I'm going to use 3 strands, as you can see, then a rubber, and then I tie it like so. And after which I'm done tying it, it took me a while, so I'm just going to tie it like so, and then I'm going to apply it on my hair like this, as you can see. Make sure you tight it in twos, like one, you pack it in and then you now tight it, okay? Now this bobby pin is going to be very important for this hairstyle, literally. So we're going to be using this bobby pin to just recreate the hair and make it look very, very bridal, beautiful and put together. As you can see how I'm rolling it, now I'm just going to use a bobby pin and just apply it like so. I'm just going to stick it to my hair like this, then I'll come down to the back and then I roll it again, then I'll use a bobby pin, right, and then I stick it to my hair. And after which I'm done, I'm going to do the same thing as well. Just all you need to do, just be creative, make sure you style it and make sure it's coming out beautifully, okay? So I'm going to do this, as you can see, and I'm going to use a bobby pin, and then I do this. You just have to keep doing it, you just have to keep recreating it, make sure it's beautiful. So I had to use the remnants of the hair to tight it like this, so it will, and then I'll use my bobby pin and just apply it like this so it stays firm. After you're done, you arrange the hair, you use bobby pin, you arrange it, make sure it stays in properly, right? So I'm going to use another strand. This is 3 strands of hair, right? I'm going to use it and then I apply it in the front like this. After which I'm done, I'm just going to apply it this way, and then I'm going to use bobby pin and just cling it like so. And then I'm going to now do the same for the other end as well. So I'm going to use a bobby pin and apply it like this as well. All you need to do about this hair is just to understand what you're doing. Literally, you just have to keep rolling and rolling. There are other ways you can do this, but this is the best method that really stuck with me, because I didn't want to do what I did not know what I was doing. So then I'm gonna use my bobby pin and just arrange it, and then I apply it, and then I'm gonna all you need to do with this hairstyle is you roll, you use your bobby pin and cling it, you roll, you use your bobby pin and cling it. So you just have to be creative in the whole process and make sure there are no extras of hair, okay? And try not to hurt your scalp as well. So this is 2. So I'm just gonna use this part and just cling it on the other end of the hair. So for this I had to just roll it like this, use the bobby pin and cling it, and then I'm gonna keep rolling it like so. You use bobby pin and cling it. Now I had to take it to the back, so the back wouldn't look like there's nothing there, because we're trying to create something bridal and beautiful. So I'm gonna use bobby pin and apply it like this so it comes out really beautiful. Then I'm going to now cling it like this. One of the beautiful things about this look is the bobby pin and how you're actually creative when it comes to applying it and just stringing it along and just making it come out beautiful. So I'm going to use bobby pin and apply it at the back as well. Then I'm also going to do the very same thing for the other end too. And after which I'm done, as you can see, I'm going to use another strand. This was the remaining one, so I just don't want to let it to waste. Then I'm just going to tie it like this, just keep rolling it, and then you take it to the back, then you use bobby pin and cling it together, and then you bring it down to the front, then you roll it again like this. Guys, just watch the video, you'd understand what I'm doing. Then you use bobby pin and then you cling it like this. Then the other last strand, right, we're still going to roll it again and bring it down to the front, probably at the back as well. Then you use bobby pin and cling it at the back, right? Then we just have to freestyle this other end. Literally, this hairstyle, all you need to do is to freestyle and be creative. Use your bobby pin, you apply it, and then it comes out really beautiful. This is where you just arrange it, you properly arrange it, and then you apply your bobby pin while you arrange it so it stays firm, and then it stays really beautiful and tucked in, okay? You do the adjustments in the front as well. Then I'm going to use my Kaima edge control gel and just, play with my edges. I'm just going to arrange this so it stays slicked in and the hair looks really neat. And I'm going to do that for the other end as well. So I'm gonna use another petals gel because it's black and my edges are pretty scanty, so I'm gonna use the petals gel and just apply it so it comes out and stays defined. And I'm gonna use my above hair oil sheen. I'm just gonna use this to just arrange my hair and it comes out beautiful. Then you arrange it. Now this is the final reveal, guys. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. I really loved this hairstyle, and one thing that stood out for me is the color. The color of this hair is giving. It's literally everything. So you can actually get this hair extension at any salon. It's the Lush Coily Braid hair extension, and you can use this to create this beautiful bridal look. So I love the color, I love how it came out, and it really, I don't know, there's something about it that's regal and powerful and just very feminine and bold. So let me know if I slayed this look. Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle. Did I kill this? Did I not kill this? And does this hairstyle actually suit me? I want to hear all about it in the comment section. Please do well to share this with your girlfriends, with your female friends, with your mothers, with your sisters, and let them know that this hairstyle is going to suit them so well. So let me know what you think about this look. I'm curious to hear all of it. And this hairstyle took me not less than 30 minutes, 20 minutes to create, because it's really simple and it's a very easy, beautiful, protective hairstyle. So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle in the comment section. I can't wait to see it. I need you to rate this hair from 1 to 10 and let me know about it. And let me know what hairstyle you want me to create next. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, take care. Bye. Bye.